Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ethical prompt engineering and responsible AI usage. Get ready to explore how we can shape the future of AI while ensuring fairness, transparency, and respect for all. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and join our community of learners. Welcome aboard, everyone. Today, we're unraveling the mysteries behind ethical prompt engineering and its role in responsible AI usage. Think of it as a guidebook for navigating the ethical landscape of artificial intelligence. So, buckle up and let's embark on this fascinating journey together. Welcome to our exploration of ethical considerations in prompt engineering. Imagine a world where AI systems make decisions with integrity and fairness. That's the vision behind ethical prompt engineering. Just like balancing scales, we strive to ensure that AI serves everyone equitably. Why does ethical prompt engineering matter? Picture this: you ask an AI model for advice, but what if its response promotes harmful stereotypes? Ethical prompt engineering prevents such scenarios, promoting fairness and equity in AI outcomes. Transparency and accountability are key pillars of ethical prompt engineering. Imagine if AI decisions were a black box, shrouded in mystery. Ethical prompt engineering opens the box, ensuring users understand how AI systems work and who's responsible for them. Let's talk about harmful outputs. Think of AI-generated content that perpetuates harmful stereotypes or promotes hate speech. Ethical prompt engineering helps us steer clear of such content by crafting prompts that prioritize positivity and inclusivity. Data privacy is paramount in ethical prompt engineering. Just like locking your door at night, we encrypt user data and implement strict privacy policies to protect against misuse or unauthorized access. Imagine a world where AI amplifies diverse voices and experiences. That's the goal of ethical prompt engineering. By crafting prompts that celebrate diversity, we ensure that AI-generated content reflects the rich tapestry of humanity. User consent is non-negotiable in ethical prompt engineering. Just like giving a thumbs up, users should have the power to choose whether they want AI-generated content and how it's used. Education is key to ethical prompt engineering. We provide users with the knowledge and tools they need to make informed decisions about AI usage. It's like equipping them with a compass for navigating the ethical terrain of AI. Ethical prompt engineering is a team effort. We collaborate with stakeholders to establish industry standards and best practices. It's like building a sturdy bridge that supports the weight of ethical AI usage. As we wrap up our journey, let's remember that ethical prompt engineering isn't just a concept, it's a commitment to integrity and responsibility. Together, let's shape an AI future that's fair, transparent, and inclusive. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of AI ethics. That concludes our exploration of ethical prompt engineering and responsible AI usage. Remember, the choices we make today shape the AI landscape of tomorrow. So, let's choose wisely and pave the way for a brighter, more ethical future. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep growing.